Welcome back to Road Trip Part 2. Good morning, vlog. We're going down to get breakfast. Okay, we're in Truckee. Truckers. Hello, guys. We're gonna go try to find a shirt store, and then a gas station, and then we have a rerouted change. We're not going to Crater Lake anymore, but we are going to Lake Shasta, through Redding, California, and then up there, and then other places. I don't really know, but we'll update on the way. Low-key, think I'm getting sick. Don't tell Mom. Gotta take a picture of the... This is gonna take a minute for that sucker to heat up or fill up. Get off of me! We're in Truckee. What do you get? A couple hoodies. Hi, the puppies. Hi. What's going on here? We are in, I have no idea, let me see, Marysville, I think? Browns Valley? No, Hamilton, California. We just got chicken nuggets for chicken strips, nerds rubs for dessert. And we have 2 more hours until Lake Shasta. So I got this sweatshirt. It says Lake Tahoe. Super cute. Retro. Here's Mom. You in it too. We're in Hamilton. Hamilton? You know that? Ashley snapped me and said, oh my gosh, they're in my hometown. But the last time I snapped her, I think was in Lake Tahoe. And I swear she's from there. I'm coming back to like, you hear that, Ashley?
Oh shoot, I didn't get any napkins.
Show them your chicken strip. Mom got Africa.
Very good.
Guys, I'm gonna catch you up on the bullshit in my life, everything
Also,
that I just like loving who you are. I don't know.
Shout out to Sadie though, you're a real one.
But we're gonna talk about it because
Good job, Mom. Look at her go. Work it. Wipe that window.
YouTube has been
We just made it to Lake Shasta. Last stop before home. Welcome to Oregon. see if we could get this one. Cheers.
How do I think that way?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Do it with flash.
I got. Okay. I'll come to you. 1, 2, 3. No. 2, 3. 2. Don't be so rough. 2, 3.
Also, why didn't you do flash?
I did.
Hold on. I felt like I've been going to vomit the past.
10 hours.
Yes, it's awful. Ever since I stopped driving, really.
If I do
Or
this,
use your finger and then lick it off your finger, a French fry. She's trying to cut her ice cream off. Can you do that to mine too?
look. No. This is ridiculous.
Mom. You're doing that on purpose now. Good morning. We're going to Starbucks.
To get caffeinated.
And I gotta go pee. Only 1 minute left on this thing. I got a venti iced chai with oat milk and sweet cream foam. And then 2 pumps of toasted vanilla syrup. It's way better with sugar cookie. But that's only seasonal. And normally they put 6 pumps of that too. And then I got a bagel with cream cheese. What's up, guys? We are 2.5 hours from home, and we just stopped in Eugene, Springfield area, and went pee, and I got a Celsius, and Mama got ice, Cheez-It, and now I am editing this video, part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 of the road trip, go watch it. Link will be in the description below. How are you feeling?
I'm tired. I'm ready to be home.
I feel better right now. I think what does that look like?
No, I want one. Are they regular cheese?
Yeah, just normal.
Oh my god.
These are like extra flavor.
Oh my god.
Flavor blasted.
Blast.
Flavor blasted. What is it called?
Okay, I guess just wait.
Goldfish, but Cheez-It form. Saw some cows. Some bars. Now we're on our way back. We're gonna get dinner with my younger brother Kyle. Maybe I'll vlog that. No. I want to taste it like plastic. We're on the home stretch.
They're selling me for hearts, and I don't wanna be modern art.
We are 30 minutes from home. I almost fell. Yeah. We're at a Mexican restaurant. Got chips and salsa. We're waiting for slow poke. Scoop it up. Tasty. got her. Oh, there he is. Hi. Got 2 chicken tacos.
Brady would be so proud of me for getting this.
What did you get?
Surprised.
I don't know.
One of them's an tamale.
Oh, yeah.
Tamales.
And then
Something. I don't know what she
the
said.
other one's like,
You see me?
Seriously.
Well, it did look like it was an old camera. You need one of those fuzzy microphones to put on top of it.
I know.
Say okay?
Thank you. That's what Ellen DeGeneres said.
I don't have anything to say. Oh, I'm tired of talking.
Because I don't like real milk. I just want to breathe like actual air. I don't even have my other shoe.
Bye.